Hi, welcome to Joe's Kitchen Recipes. And today I have done Veg Kurma. Please let me know if you like the recipe. And if you like the recipe, please like and share with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. God bless you all. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add 4 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon, 4 green cardamom, 2 pieces of star anise, 10 peppercorns. Stir well. To this add 6 garlic cloves, 1 piece of ginger. Mix well. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Mix everything well. To this add 1 onion roughly chopped. Fry the onion till they become soft. To this add 2 Kashmiri chilies broken. Give it a mix. To this add 2 green chilies and 1 tomato roughly cut. Mix everything well for 2 minutes. To this add 1 tablespoon of khaskhas, also known as poppy seeds. Give it a mix. To this I am adding 1 cup of desiccated coconut. You can use the fresh coconut. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well till the coconut changes its color to a slightly golden color. Make sure the coconut does not burn. Off the flame, let it cool before grinding it to a fine paste. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. In a mixer jar, add all the whole spices roasted with the coconut. To this add a handful of cashew nuts soaked in water. Grind this all using a little water to a fine paste. Our paste is ready. In a cooking pot, add 3 tablespoons of oil. To this add 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise. Saute for a minute. To this add 1 potato, cut into small cubes. Fry them till they turn golden in color. Our potatoes have turned golden in color. To this I am adding 3 cups of vegetable. I have taken the frozen one. You can use the fresh one and any kind of vegetable of your choice. Give it a mix. Saute it for 2-3 minutes. Add the grounded masala. Mix everything well. Add the water from the mixer jar. Give it a mix. Add salt as per your taste. Add half a cup of water. Mix everything well. Close the lid and cook for another 2 minutes. Here I am adding 1 cube of Maggi. The roasted cashew nuts which were roasted before. A handful of fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Our veg kurma is ready to serve.